The first ever S26 Ultra unboxing is right here, and this guy actually got the phone for $3,300 and unboxed the phone and showed the world how the new Galaxy S26 Ultra will gonna look like. So let's talk about it. This is against the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The phone is looking absolutely nuts. It's so beautiful. Honestly, it is looking much better compared to the S25 Ultra. Honestly, if I were gonna pick, I'm just gonna go with the S25 Ultra. Credit goes to this guy who actually bought it for $3,300 in UAE. Obviously, the phone is not official, but it is available in the market for some retailers, and they're actually selling in the black market or something like that, because $3,300 instead of just $1,300. This guy actually got the box, which shows a 24 months warranty on the box, and somehow it says for Africa, but this guy is actually getting in UAE. So I don't know what's going on, but this is the actual phone, and he got the phone and started taking the picture. Now, there's one picture which is more interesting than ever before. The corners of the phone, the S26 Ultra is much rounded compared to the S25 Ultra, and yeah, it looks good. And from the back, honestly speaking, I'm just gonna go with the S26 Ultra instead of other phones. And this is against the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Honestly, the white color on S26 Ultra is looking really good. I'm just gonna go for it. There are a lot of more details about the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and even the official stuff is here for the S26 Ultra. I've got something official about the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and it confirmed everything. I mean, all the new features, and yeah, the battery is also confirmed about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Although if you want to get it, the price is listed in this video. Now, we got a lot of stuff about the Galaxy S26 Ultra from VinFuture, and yeah, it confirmed a lot of things. Now, here we are. We got the cameras, the battery, and the performance numbers of Galaxy S26 Ultra. So first of all, let's talk about the battery. Yes, it's the same 5000 mAh battery, 31 hour of video playback, but there is one most important thing: 75% of the charge in just 30 minutes. That means Samsung is finally changing the charging numbers on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It is 60 watt instead of 45 watt on S25 Ultra. That is one change we saw on this spec sheet. The second thing is the cameras of Galaxy S26 Ultra. We got 50 megapixel ultra wide, 200 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel 5x, and a 10 megapixel 3x. So here we are. The 200 megapixel main sensor is getting a better aperture, and the 50 megapixel 5x telephoto sensor is also getting a better aperture from f3.4 to f2.8. The performance numbers are crazy, where we got improvement in 39% NPU, 24% better in GPU performance, and 19% better in CPU performance all together. Now, there's one more thing. This is actually the privacy display of Galaxy S26 Ultra. It shows how you benefit from it. Honestly speaking, right now people are underestimating this thing, but this will revolutionize the displays in the smartphone industry just because of this feature, because it's the first phone to having a privacy display built into the display. Now with the screen protector, which will affect the brightness on your phone, this won't affect any brightness on your phone, and you can customize it just for a single app, not a whole phone, which is another plus for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And you will not going to see this feature on S25 Ultra, because this feature is built into the display, not just a software gimmick. Now, another thing which shows the Galaxy Bud 4 Pro and the Galaxy S26 Ultra along with the watch, and actually confirms the design of S26 Ultra and the Buds design. We already got a lot of information about the Buds and the design of Galaxy S26 Ultra, so this is nothing new. Now, there's another picture which is more related to sketch to image or photo assist app for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung is heavily promoting the AI stuff for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and yeah, honestly speaking, yes, it is getting better AI than S25 Ultra or even S24 Ultra, but you're going to get these AI updates on previous phones. The only thing which matters is the hardware improvements, which is the 60 watt, that privacy display, and other stuff, which is really an improvement instead of just AI gimmick. We got a lot of more information about the Galaxy S26 Ultra as well. Samsung ditched the titanium. Initially, we saw there is no titanium along with the colors of Galaxy S26 Ultra. And guess what? That was the right information. Samsung ditched titanium right after what Apple did with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So, according to Ice Universe, other than simply following Apple, I can hardly think of any reasonable explanation for why the Galaxy S26 Ultra would downgrade its frame material from titanium to aluminum. He's absolutely absolutely right. When Samsung tried out the S24 Ultra with the titanium frame, Apple just did it with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and when iPhone 17 Pro Max came with the aluminum, Samsung just copied Apple and gave us that. It's not just a hate that we are giving, it's just we are saying that how it is so much synchronized that what Apple did, Samsung just followed. Now, there's a reason why Samsung is using it. It's quoted, "I fully understand that aluminum has many advantages. It is lighter, offers better thermal performance, and is easier to manufacture and control in terms of cost. All of that explains why a company might choose aluminum, but that is not why confusion lies." This is what I said before, that Apple adopted titanium and Samsung followed. Apple dropped titanium and Samsung almost immediately dropped it as well. So Samsung officially revealed this teaser for the S26 Ultra on their official Twitter account, Samsung Mobile US. And we got something that is related to the cameras of Galaxy S26 Ultra. So the video started with a person and they just bring up the filter which actually shows how S26 Ultra will perform. It says vibrant nights even in low light. Yeah, there is a massive difference between what is before and what is after. And it says, "Can your phone do that?" And then the logo came up. So this is the 15-second teaser for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. We got a couple of more teasers about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Some actually confirmed the launch date, which is on Feb 25th, 2026. The reservation just started. Samsung just reduced the reservation for about $30 instead of $50 they were given before, and the double storage options will be cut down. Yeah, we're not getting double storage option in the S26 Ultra. Maybe some other packs, and maybe we see some kind of a trade-in deal. Right now, there is no information about the trade-in deal, although there is one feature which is confirmed about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So Ice Universe said the privacy screen of Galaxy S26 Ultra is truly amazing. He shared the video which actually shows how it will gonna work, but this video is made on S25 Ultra and this video is made with AI. Yeah, he converted the picture into video because there's a logo in the video which says AI, so that means this video is made with the AI, but it actually shows how the privacy display works on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. While we talked a bunch about changes, Ice Universe lists 7 reasons why S26 Ultra is better to get. Meanwhile, the S26 Ultra is worth having for 2026 with 7 potential reasons. There are a bunch of changes coming on S26 Ultra. Even one of the potential changes is the design of S26 Ultra. But today is more about what Samsung is bringing to the table, which is better on S26 Ultra compared to previous generations. And there's a source who compiled all the changes. According to Ice Universe, why the only model worth considering is the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung will reserve its newest and most advanced AI features for the S26 Ultra. Even the S25 Ultra will likely need to wait several months to receive these capabilities through updates. The new 60-watt wired charging and 25-watt of wireless charging represent a major upgrade for Samsung users, and both are exclusive to the S26 Ultra. This one is already confirmed. The new private screen intelligent anti-peeping display is also limited to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is a highly marketable feature that YouTubers will repeatedly showcase, turning it into a major selling point. This is probably the most awaited feature people are waiting for the S26 Ultra. A larger camera aperture will lead to real-world improvements in image quality. For example, an f1.4 aperture will deliver better optical results in portrait photography. Telephoto performance is also expected to improve, and Samsung may introduce an AI telephoto algorithm similar to Google's to enhance clarity. While a main 200 megapixel is getting an update, there's a big thing going on with the 3x telephoto sensor where even I said a downgrade, which is obviously difficult to justify if Samsung would do it. On the video side, Samsung is expected to introduce APV technology, which should significantly improve overall image quality. The front-facing camera will have a wider field of view, making it easier to fit 2 people into a single selfie. The front-facing camera size is also larger on S26 Ultra compared to the S25 Ultra, which was already shared in the render. Additional upgrades that have not yet been disclosed, primarily on the software side. On the software level, I can say S26 Ultra is bringing some crazy feature as Samsung is ready for the 2026 AI stuff, although S25 Ultra will get it later down the line. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.